Good morning, this is Mark Robb, and I want you to hear some birds sing. This, yeah. Oh, wow, he does a singing too. Y'all hear those birds? Let me show y'all some buttercups. Look at those flowers. Isn't that beautiful? Those are buttercups, and right there is yellow daisies. Y'all see those daisies? Well, that's yellow daisies. And then some more buttercups right through there. See those? Those are buttercups. Did y'all see that bird? I hope y'all saw that bird flying. He's beautiful. The sound that you hear in those trees are locusts. A rooster. Did y'all hear that rooster just then? That's a rooster. At this time, I'm going to show y'all some of these flowers, and you can hear the birds sing. Alright, give me some thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.